All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So almost, 99%, almost, but not quite all. Yes, the puzzle is almost completed, almost ready. It is almost ready, almost. Just missing a little. We are almost there. She almost said it. I almost fell over. What? He almost crashed. He almost turned left when he should have gone right. Yeah. So I almost did it. She was almost there. I am almost at the finish line. They are almost ready to fight or to leave. He is almost ready. She was almost about to turn right, but then she changed her mind. Yeah. It is almost ready. Just a few more days now. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I almost saw them. I almost saw them last week, but I was too busy, so I didn't. The plans are almost ready. Yeah, these plans are almost ready. They just need some final changes here and there. He is almost ready. She is almost ready. All she needs to do now is put on her shoes. I am almost ready. I'm almost finished for today because I have a few more lessons to record. Yeah. How cool is that? Almost. Almost, yeah. So 99%. The puzzle is almost ready. My tea is almost gone. My tea is almost gone. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use almost in a sentence? Yeah. Can you comment below with that sentence and like the video and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And yeah, you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.